keepers. Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how footballs are made, step by step.
Each panel is printed and layered to ensure durability and aerodynamic performance.
Check the thickness alignment on panel 4.
In the core assembly stage, precision sewing machines rapidly stitch the panels together, forming the iconic pattern.
Every football is carefully assembled to ensure perfect balance and bounce.
Every football is tested to meet strict quality and performance standards.
And that's how footballs are made, from start to finish.